Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version, because software affects audio routing. Next, update iOS if an update is available. Once done, remove any case and visually inspect speaker grills, dirt muffle sound. Test audio with a ringtone, voice memos, and a Bluetooth headset to separate hardware versus software issues. If the headset is loud but speaker is quiet, you're focused on the earpiece or receiver. Otherwise, keep following to isolate the root cause. Now adjust settings that commonly affect call volume. Turn the silent switch and do not disturb off. Make sure Bluetooth is disconnected so audio routes to the earpiece. Open settings, go to accessibility then audio/visual, and confirm call audio routing is set to automatic. Also check any volume limit or EQ in music which can impact output. If issues persist, reset network settings and then restart the iPhone to clear cached audio profiles. This often resolves. Finish with hardware verification and fallback steps. Inspect the earpiece and microphone ports. Gently clear debris with a soft brush or low-pressure compressed air because physical blockage is a common cause. If sound remains low after cleaning and software resets, back up your data, then contact Apple support or a certified repair shop. Hardware repairs may be required. If you need a quick troubleshooting tip, try a different SIM or boot in a diagnostic mode to separate carrier issues from device faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.